you go.
What do you propose to do about Obama?
Obama? Well, you know, as I've said, Obama is not going to win Oklahoma, and we're going to probably, you know, 4 years ago he lost every county, all 77 counties. I don't expect he'll pick up a county this year, and there's really not much we can do in Oklahoma. We have 7 electoral votes. He's not going to get any of them, and I think Obama has a large share of the blame, but I think Congress, over the course of the last several decades, both with Republicans and Democrats, has given up a lot of its constitutional authority to the president. You know, I said when Bush was leaving office November of 08, 2 months before he left, Bush is the one that passed the first bailout package. $787 billion he proposed, Republicans passed it. So Obama needs to be beat up on, and he's borrowing too much money, but it's not just an Obama problem. It's an institutional problem in Washington, D.C. that crosses party lines, and it's clear if you look at the voting record of Congress that Republicans have bailed out this government just as much as the Democrats have, and we've borrowed. Bush grew our government larger than it had ever been grown, ever in 8 years. Bush appointed the first czar, unconstitutional. Look in the Constitution, you won't find the word czar anywhere in it. So my view is let's take no hostages, Democrat or Republican. Let's approach this even-handed with both parties and really reform Washington. It needs to be reformed on both sides of the aisle. I guarantee you if we elect another, you know, you can look at the state legislature in Oklahoma. We have a governor in the governor's mansion. We have a supermajority in the Senate. We have a supermajority in the House. We were promised an income tax cut this year. They promised us it would go, our state income tax would go from 5.5% to 4.8%. How many of you saw the news headline last Thursday, the budget they passed? There was not one tax cut, and they increased spending $300 million. Republicans. Now, if we can't get it with that group of people, we're not going to get it. So Washington's no different. These politicians that grandstand that Obama's terrible, I don't disagree with that, but it's political rhetoric to get people wound up. Let's look at the problems, and the problems are the institutions by the way our government works. If Republicans said borrow the money, the Republicans would line up to do it.